Guangzhou MaxPower New Energy Technology Company Limited was founded in 2017 and located in Guangzhou, China. Be engaged in R&D and manufacture chargers, which is mainly used for EV, ship, special vehicles, electric aircraft, etc. MaxPower has a professional R&D team and expertise in power conversion and laboratory. We also have a 600 square meters factory in Nansha, Guangdong, China. The core team members all have working experience in well-known foreign companies and overseas study background. They have been engaged in research and market development in the field of new energy charging for a long time. Our products have obtained 3 inventions and more than 20 utility model patents. We have successfully launched many product series including movable charger, wall box charger, portable charger and fixed charging pile and onboard charger. The power of our charger varies from 3 kilowatts to 360 kilowatts. Our design is flexible and can be customized for various electrical equipment. In the future, we will continue to seek new breakthroughs in technology and market. We have professional engineering support, high-efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority, which attracts customers from all over the world. Our products are exported to many countries and regions as Germany, Sweden, Belgium, Poland, Russia, USA, Canada, Japan, Spain, Romania, Turkey, India, Middle East, etc. Feel free to contact us if you are seeking engineering support for your application.